Hi everybody, I'm Paul Berndt from NetV Pro IT Services. We're super excited to be out here at South Florida Manufacturing Association, helping them out, meeting a lot of great people. Yeah, we're here at the club at Weston Hills, having a great time with supporting South Florida Manufacturing Association. Marty Perrone, Jim, the whole team has been fantastic. Chris, got a really great time. So we met a good number of manufacturing facilities, wafer manufacturing, micro, body armor, defense contractors. It was a really great group. We like serving manufacturing businesses because one of the biggest things that they need, they're focused on their business and not IT, and that's what we take care of, is their internal IT, make sure everything's up and running, reduce their downtime, improve functionality features. So we're here at golf course at Weston Hills supporting South Florida Manufacturing Association. I'm Paul Berndt from NetV Pro IT Services, here to serve you.